Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in Toyota RAV4 2008. Start by warming the engine for a few minutes, then park on level ground and engage the parking brake. Gather a drain pan, 14 mm socket, new oil filter, and the recommended oil quantity and viscosity. Lift the front with jack stands, remove the drain plug carefully, drain oil fully, replace the filter, prepare your workspace and parts before you start. Use a drain pan, 14 mm socket, oil filter wrench, funnel, and the correct oil and filter for your engine. Check the owner's manual for oil capacity and viscosity. Inspect jack stands and wheel chocks for safety. Keep a rag and gloves handy to manage spills. Having everything laid out saves time and reduces mistakes when you perform the oil change today too. Begin by draining the old oil with the car level and engine warm, but not hot. Remove the drain plug with a 14 mm socket, let oil flow into the pan, and inspect the old oil for metal particles. Replace the crush washer if needed, then spin off the old filter and install the new one with a light oil coat on the gasket. Reinstall the plug, lower the car, and refill to the specified level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.